Hello, my name is Chris. I am proud to be part of InspireXT because we are trying to create something very special in our industry. The way that we do that is we believe in our people and we follow something called AMP. A stands for autonomy, M stands for mastery, P stands for purpose. Autonomy means giving responsible empowerment to our people to decide the right thing and do the right thing, not waiting to be told, but trusting them to do the right thing. M stands for mastery. How do we make our people the best that they can be through giving them opportunities to grow, through giving them feedback and helping them to be truly change agents in their own words. P stands for purpose. How do we help people connect their work to the things that matter to them, their hopes and their dreams for themselves and for their family and for their planet? But we have one more ingredient, and that's B for belonging. How do we create a space where people belong to each other as a team and as a family, and where we help each other to be the best we can be? As we do that, we'll change not only our own lives and our company, but also the lives of our clients and our partners as well. And ultimately, we'll have a great impact in the world. Please join me in amplifying this message within InspireXT and beyond InspireXT. Thank you.